Parrot AR drone series may have already dominated the consumer quadcopter market, but if you want to splash out more money on a more high-end model, then you might want to check out this Phantom 2 Vision from DJI. This machine is essentially a quadcopter with a built-in 1080p or 14 megapixel camera. Preparation is very straightforward. Simply install the 4 self-tightening propellers, insert the battery, and then hold down the power button on the battery to boot up the drone. The best part about the Phantom 2 Vision is that you can get a live stream on your smartphone. Oh, and there's also a Wi-Fi range extender that maintains a link between the drone and the phone at up to 300 meters. Once the phone is connected to the drone's Wi-Fi hotspot, you can then load up the DJI Vision app, through which you can adjust various camera parameters. The camera is mounted on a single axis gimbal with a tilt angle of up to 60 degrees. This offers some video stabilization, but it won't do much against sideway wind. For that, you need to modify the drone with a dual axis gimbal. To start the rotors, just push the 2 sticks towards the bottom center, and then you can take off by pushing the left stick upwards. The default control settings can be quite sensitive for beginners, but it didn't take us long to get used to it. The rotors are quite powerful. Once in a while, we like to push the drone to its maximum speed of 15 meters per second, which is quite impressive if you watch it go in person. While it's fun to watch the drone fly about, you eventually have to rely on the app's viewfinder to determine where it's headed. This is also where you toggle the video or photo capture, and the files are then stored on the micro SD card at the back of the camera. The generous battery lasts up to 25 minutes. Do be careful though, once the battery goes below 15%, it'll attempt to slowly land itself, so be sure to bring the drone back before it's too late. If you need more juice, you can actually get a spare battery for $160. So to summarize, the Phantom 2 Vision is definitely an impressive piece of kit, but with its $1,200 price tag, you really need to be a very keen aerial filmmaker to justify your purchase.